Welcome to the mesmerizing world of Venice, where time stands still and beauty floats on water. In this 7-minute journey, we will unravel the charm of the floating city, taking you through its winding canals and historic landmarks. Immerse yourself in the rich history and culture of this unique Italian gem, known for its captivating architecture, romantic ambiance, and vibrant Venetian traditions. Let's visit the iconic St. Mark's Square, admire the majestic Doge's palace, and explore the hidden gems that Venice has to offer. As we glide through the labyrinth of canals, the gondolas will guide us to witness the magic of Venice unfold before our eyes. Feel the gentle sway of the water beneath you as we pass under charming bridges and alongside historic buildings. No trip to Venice is complete without savoring authentic Italian cuisine. Join us at quaint trattorias to indulge in delectable pasta dishes and local delights. Experience the warm hospitality of the locals as we immerse ourselves in Venetian culture. Venturing to Murano Island, renowned for its glassmaking tradition, we'll witness the intricate artistry of Venetian glassblowers as they create stunning masterpieces. In Venice's artisan workshops, we'll discover the secrets behind the making of Venetian masks, each a work of art in itself. Capture the essence of Venice through your lens and create memories that will last a lifetime. From golden sunsets over the canals to enchanting alleys that hold untold stories, Venice is a photographer's paradise. As our journey nears its end, we'll take a moment to savor the beauty and tranquility of Venice. Reflect on the experiences that have left us in awe and feel the magical atmosphere that lingers in the air. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting 7-minute journey through Venice. Let the allure of this timeless city linger in your heart and inspire your future adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more captivating travel experiences around the world. Share this video with fellow adventurers, and let's spread the beauty of Venice to every corner of the globe.